Hey guys, my name is Zaire and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll demonstrate how to create a DIY hair growth pomade using Vaseline, virgin hair fertilizer, Doo Gro, and more. This mixture helps promote thicker, longer, and healthier hair. If you struggle with thin hair, itchiness, or dryness, this remedy will really help. This treatment is made with powerful ingredients, and trust me, the results will surprise you. So without further ado, let's get right into this video.
1, 2, 3.
First, I'll start off with 2 tablespoons of Vaseline. Next, I'll be adding virgin hair fertilizer, which is a petroleum jelly-based scalp treatment that helps promote hair growth, reduce breakage, and fight dandruff. I'll now add Doo Gro Hair Vitalizer, which contains vitamins, thickeners, shea butter, and herbs. This product is great for thinning edges, temple areas, and dry scalp. I'm now going to add a blend of oils. You can use any oil of your choice, but first off, I'll be using Jamaican black castor oil. Now I'm using peppermint oil. Next up is jojoba oil. Last but not least, I'll be using argan oil. I'll give this a mix, then add my final ingredient. My last ingredient is a powerful hair oil I made in a previous video, which I will link in the description down below for you to check it out. Now let's mix it up. I'm going to be adding a little bit more of the virgin hair fertilizer just to get a better consistency. Once everything is well combined, I will now transfer the pomade into a jar. If you would like a firmer texture, you can then place it in the freezer for a short amount of time. here we are. Look at that, guys. This is exactly what I was talking about. A potent pomade treatment for hair growth. This is one of my best kept secrets for healthy hair. Use this treatment consistently, and I promise you'll see the difference in your hair. So guys, this powerful pomade is all done now, and it's ready to use and to store. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to share with your family and friends. Please, let me know if you tried this amazing hair pomade out in the comments down below and how your experience was. And make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!